I'm trying to perfect myself. I'm trying to prove myself. But what I realize is only God can make me better. I need y'all to understand.
Seems everyone around me is fading away, running away. I'm lost in my own thoughts. I need to find the way. I can't make it on my own. Holding on to my faith, I don't know where to go. I give myself to you so you can come and take control. The devil wanna see me fall, but